8 beauty and style mistakes I stopped making after age 50. I just turned 52 years old on Saturday, so fellow Scorpios, definitely leave me a comment down below. But I definitely have been doing things a little bit different. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 beauty mistakes I stopped making after age 50 and 4 style mistakes I stopped making after age 50. So if you want to look and feel like the best version of yourself, this video is for you. Now make sure you listen to this entire video because mistake number 8 is actually a style mistake, and it is something that I used to do many years ago and I don't do it anymore, but it is definitely something that will make the hugest difference if you stop doing it, and it's one that I see people doing most often that are over 50. Okay, mistake number 1, this is a beauty mistake, is I wasn't using a light colored eyeshadow stick on the inner corners of my eyes and all over my eyelid. Once I started doing this, and my favorite light colored shadow stick is actually by Laura Mercier. This one is in vanilla. And as you can see, my eyes look so different when I use the vanilla stick all over my lid and on the inner corners versus not putting it on at all. Like literally, I feel like I have like an eye lift when I do this. It also makes my eyeshadow stay on better. I just feel like my eyes look brighter. They look more youthful. And I don't know, I can tell the hugest difference when sometimes I'll forget to use the vanilla shadow stick first. But I'm telling you, if you do this, ladies, this will make the biggest difference in your entire appearance. Of course, your eyes will just look brighter and more youthful. I will also link the other shadow stick that I use in the corner of my eye. The color is called Raisin. It's a little bit darker, and then I just blend it out like a windshield wiper to get this beautiful sort of combination of this plum color plus the beautiful vanilla color, which is just absolute perfection, I think. Okay, mistake number 2 is also a beauty mistake, and this one was I wasn't using the correct hair dryer. And so what was happening is I was creating a lot of damage in my hair. My hair was looking very brittle and very dry. I had lots of flyaways. I had lots of frizzies going on. I just started using the Dreamy Dazzle hair styler, and I'm telling you, I have noticed a world of difference. It definitely helps me look more youthful because, as you can see from the before and after, before I started using this hair tool, my hair was dry and brittle and frizzy. And then now, I'm telling you, my hair feels so nourished and moisturized. It looks healthier. It feels healthier. And more importantly, I just feel like a better version of myself when my hair looks better. And this tool helps it to do that. So I want to take a moment and thank Dreamy for sponsoring this video. This is essentially a 6-in-1 styling tool. So whether you want soft curls or loose waves or even just a fabulous blowout, this styling tool will help you do that. I love it because, first of all, it's not very heavy. It also dries my hair super fast because of the 110,000 RPMs, which is amazing. It also has 300 million negative icons, which is what makes my hair less frizzy and less dry. So I really love that. And as you can see, this is what my hair looked like after I curled it, and it's just so beautiful, so luxurious, and definitely so much healthier looking. The auto wrap barrel is genius. You place it next to your hair and the arrows will tell you which way it's going to wrap your hair. So for example, the arrow right here is pointing this way, and so it's going to wrap my hair away from my face, and that is how I love to curl my hair, basically on both sides away from my face. So I love the fact that it has the arrows because it makes it super easy to use. I also really love the Smart Screen nozzle auto detect function. So basically, no matter which attachment you're using, whether that be the curling iron or the blow dry attachment or the diffuser attachment, it really doesn't matter. It reads which attachment you're using and it automatically adjusts the heat and the airflow. So that's so cool. For example, when I'm using this curling attachment, it basically turns on the heat for 10 seconds and then cools it for 5 seconds. And what that does is it really locks in the curls and it allows your curls to last all day long. Now you can turn off this automatic feature if you would like, but I personally like leaving it on because it just makes it so much easier to style my hair and so much faster. And because of that cooling mechanism, my curls literally last all day long. The best part, you can use my special code 0Heather10, which will be linked down below in my description box, and you can get a total of 50% off. Because they have this amazing Black Friday sale going on, so this is the lowest price of the year for you to get this device. This would also make a great gift for some of those lovely ladies on your list. I think I'm definitely going to get my daughter one of these. And like I said, since it's the lowest price of the year, there's no better time than now to grab it for yourself or someone fabulous on your list. All right, mistake number 3 that I stopped making after I was 50 is I stopped wearing so much black. Now, I'm not going to say I'll never wear black again because that would be ridiculous, because of course I'm going to wear black. However, I won't be wearing it as often because basically black casts more shadows on your face versus lighter colors. You can even choose colors like chocolate brown, which I love wearing. This is a beautiful off-the-shoulder chocolate brown cashmere sweater from Quince. I love this sweater. It's soft, it's lightweight, it's comfortable. It's also going to be a great gift. I'm probably going to gift one of these to my mother for Christmas. So I really love wearing chocolate brown versus black because again, it's less harsh on my skin. Another fabulous chocolate brown look that I'm loving right now is this gorgeous chocolate brown Quince blazer. Now, as you'll see, when I wore the blazer with the sleeves down and it's just like buttoned and I didn't belt it and I didn't put the collar up, I looked a little bit frumpy versus when I pushed the sleeves up and then I belted it and then I put the collar up. I definitely look more youthful, I look more stylish, and I certainly felt better when I styled the blazer this way. This blazer is real leather. It comes in black as well, but again, like I said, I really love this chocolate brown shade. It's such a high quality blazer, and since it's from Quince, it's 40% less than if you were to purchase it from a regular retailer. And then I paired it with my new favorite Mother jeans. These are called the Mother Hustler Ankle, so incredibly slimming. I own over 100 pair of jeans, and these are one of my top 3 picks. They are that good. Another color that I love wearing that's still a dark, rich, beautiful color, but it's definitely softer than black, and that is burgundy, which by the way, burgundy is also trending really hard right now. So it's not only just like a beautiful color to wear, it's also very on trend. I did this gorgeous burgundy cardigan. This one is by Pistola. I love how it cuts in at the waist, so it's actually flattering. I just buttoned the middle button, paired it over this easy brown bodysuit, and then these are some fabulous faux leather brown pants. I love these because the fit is impeccable, and again, this chocolate brown shade is so gorgeous. Style mistake number 4 that I stopped doing after 50 is I stopped buying a lot of fast fashion, and I started really focusing on those high quality basics to build a wardrobe that works for me so that when I step into my closet, I never have that dreaded feeling of, oh my gosh, I have nothing to wear. Because typically, if you've ever had that feeling, you're not alone. I've even had that feeling years ago. It's typically because you don't have enough high quality basics. So now that I'm over 50, I for sure focus on those high quality basics, and my favorite place to buy those is Quince. You'll hear me talk a ton about Quince on my channel because it truly is a place to buy expensive looking clothes that aren't expensive. So this is one of my favorite wardrobe staples. This is a beautiful chocolate brown strapless dress because we all need a dress in our closet that we can pull out when you need to go to a special occasion, you need to go to like a fun party or a date night or something like that. You need that special dress that's both dressy but then can also be dressed down, and this one is absolutely perfect. It lays on your body perfectly. As you can see, it's like form-fitting, but it's not too tight. It's elegant, it's classy, it's very high quality, but the good news is it won't break the bank. And here I am proving its versatility, styling it 3 different ways. The first way, you could wear it alone, perfect for a winter wedding or a date night or a girls' night out. The second way, you could top it off with a fabulous faux fur jacket. I think this might be my New Year's Eve look. And then the third way is perfect for like a Sunday brunch or even to like church. You could wear it to church. This is basically that chocolate brown quince leather blazer that I had on earlier. I love doing a monochromatic look. That's another way to look more youthful and polished, is wear the same color from head to toe. It's not only youthful, but it's also very slimming as well. Mistake number 5, and this one is actually a beauty mistake, and that is I stopped skipping wearing lip liner, because lip liner makes the absolute biggest difference. As you'll see from this example, I'm putting on my lip liner. Before I had my lip liner on, my lips looked very thin. So when I don't use lip liner, my lips look way thinner. So honestly, using lip liner makes you look like you went and got like a little bit of lip filler, but you didn't. And my absolute favorite lip liner that I've discovered recently, it stays on so well. It's very potent. They have beautiful shades, is by Fenty Beauty. And this one is called Riri. It's like the perfect sort of like mauvey brown color. I love it. It stays on all day. And another great thing about using lip liner is it will allow your lipstick to stay on longer. Another beauty tip that will help you look younger is to choose a rich color that's not going to wash you out. So this color is perfect. Then I topped it off with this beautiful Laura Geller lipstick. I love this lipstick because it's very nourishing and it's like this beautiful plum shade. So it doesn't wash me out and it definitely makes me look more youthful. And then I did some gloss on top, because when we gloss our lips, that's another thing that's going to make them look plumper. It's going to make you look more youthful as well. So don't skip your gloss either, ladies. I will be leaving these 3 beauty products linked down below, along with everything else in my description box. Mistake number 6, this one is a style mistake, and that is I stopped saving special occasion clothes for special occasions because life is too short. So wear the sequins now, wear the leather pants now, wear that fabulous dress now. Even if you don't have anywhere to wear it, make your husband take you out to dinner, or your partner. Or hey, better yet, if you're single like me, go and sit at the bar somewhere and wear that fabulous outfit, because as I've aged, one thing I know for sure is this, that life is short and you don't need to wait to wear the fabulous clothes. Wear them now. And this is a fabulous look that I actually wore the other night out to dinner. I went and sat at the bar because I love this dress so much. And yes, it's a little dressy. I'll probably also wear it to like a holiday party. I do have one coming up. But this dress is faux leather. It looks like real leather. It hugs your curves in all the right places. It's under $100. Like, I cannot believe that. It looks way more expensive than it really is. And then I topped it off with this fabulous faux fur jacket. This one is from Revolve. I love the fact that it's cropped so it doesn't like overtake your silhouette like a lot of other faux fur jackets can do. Another fabulous look that I'm not gonna wait to wear is this sheer black top. This is a long sleeve sheer black top. It's dressy. You could wear it to a holiday party or a girl's night out. I'm actually going to like a casual holiday party at my neighbor's house, and I think this will be my exact look. And then I did these fabulous burgundy wide leg jeans. These are so flattering because they're high-waisted, and I'm obsessed with this burgundy shade. Another look that's definitely for a special occasion, but I'm not gonna wait for a special occasion to wear it. In fact, I wore it this last Saturday night when I went out on a date, and that is this fabulous burgundy faux leather strapless dress. This dress fits like a glove. I'm obsessed with the burgundy shade, and I topped it off with this really cool burgundy blazer because, again, monochromatic looks are also something I've been wearing more now that I'm over 50, because they're not only slimming, but they're also very classy, elegant, and polished looking. So I really loved how this burgundy on burgundy look turned out. And I am not waiting for a special occasion to wear this outfit again. If I don't have a date for the next couple of months, like, that's okay. I will just take myself out to dinner and wear this fabulous outfit. Mistake number 7 is another beauty mistake, and that is I will not be wearing heavy, thick foundation now that I'm over 50. Why? Because when we wear thick foundation, it can look cakey, it can seep into our wrinkles, and it can definitely age us. So instead, I will be using Tipology Serum Foundation. It's basically like makeup and skincare in one. It's medium to light coverage, so it's not going to look cakey. As you can see, I have it on today. today. I'm putting it on over here to give you guys an example of what it looks like. It is beautiful. It leaves my skin luminous and radiant and youthful looking. And I love the fact that it's skincare and makeup, so it's really helping me to look younger all day long while I have it on my face. And I think that's pretty amazing. And mistake number 8, and this is the one that I used to do years ago, and I honestly see women still doing this. This is probably the most common mistake I see women making, and that is wearing too many baggy clothes at the same time. Because as we age, we think, okay, I can hide my body with these baggy clothes, but what you're actually doing is you're making yourself look bigger. So I don't care what size you are, a size 2, a size 10, a size 12, whatever it is. As long as you wear form-fitting clothes, they don't have to be super tight, but if you wear form-fitting clothes and clothes that actually fit your silhouette, you will look 10 years younger, I guarantee it. Now, if you want to wear oversized pieces, that's okay. You can choose one piece in your outfit, but then make sure that everything else in your look is fitted. For example, this is an oversized quince brown bomber jacket. It's real leather. I love this gorgeous brown shade. I love the oversized fit. But if I were to pair this jacket with like baggy wide leg jeans and a baggy sweater or something like that, it would have overtaken me and I would have looked frumpy. I would have certainly looked older than I really am. But because I paired this one oversized piece, being the quince bomber jacket, with my favorite fitted quince bodysuit and these fabulous black leather jeans, I look very polished, I look youthful, because I created balance in my look by only choosing one oversized piece and making sure that everything else in my outfit was fitted. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite tip was in this video, because I always love hearing from y'all. I want to thank Dreamy again for sponsoring this video, and remember, you can receive a total of 50% off with my special code 0Heather10, and the link will be down below in my description box. For more style information, you can head over to my blog, SoHeather.com, and on Instagram, I am SoHeatherBlog. And in case no one has told you yet today, I love you. You're beautiful and you're amazing just the way you are. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.